Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am in my dining room. I am going to give you a tour, but before we do that, I'm going to refresh it for spring. I'm gonna go over everything in the dining room. I am going to let you know where I purchased them, including today's decoration. If you have been interested in this dining room set, you have to stick around because I have some fantastic news about it. However, to those of you who are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload Glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to you, my beloved Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. I love you all. And please remember, for my 50,000 subscriber milestone, I am giving away 2 designer decorative books for your coffee table or anywhere else in your house. All you have to do to participate, follow me on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou, like one of my posts and comment Glam Squad 50 under one of my videos, and make sure you subscribe as well to be qualified. Good luck to all of you. On Monday, I will be announcing the winner on Instagram. These placemats are very simple, but they have little glitz. Unfortunately, the camera is not picking them up. Very beautiful, simple placemats, perfect for the spring season. I'm doing a table setup for 8. This is what it looks like with the placemats. I'm gonna be adding a little touch of blue in the dining room as well, and I'm using these beautiful blue chargers with gold rim as part of my decoration pieces. As I mentioned at the end of the video, I'm gonna go over everything and let you know where I purchased everything. If you want to know where I purchased something, you gotta stay tuned. Just so I do not sound too repetitive, for those of you who have been here for a long time, I'm gonna go over the new accessories first, and then after that I'm gonna go over the old things and the furnitures. This is what we have so far, and I am loving my blue.
You make me feel it's crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my.
For this setup, I'm going to use some white plates. These are the napkins that I'm going to use. I love the details at the end. The fabric is very appropriate for the season. I'm going to be using my acrylic napkin rings. I have 4 of them, and then I'm also going to use these ones as well, 4 each. I didn't like it the first time, so I'm just going to redo it again. I'm gonna add a bit of flour in the place setting. I pulled them out from a long branch of flower that I have. Glam Squad, what's your preference? The setup with the flower or the one without the flower? Please type up flower or no flower in the description box. For this setup, I'm gonna be using gold utensil. It is spring season, you guys. I'm gonna take this moment to talk to you about this beautiful scent from Dossier. It is the Fruity Magnolia. It is a beautiful scent, you guys. I really like it for spring because it has pomegranate, peony and rose. These are some of my favorite notes for spring. It is inspired by the one and only one, Bright Crystal. Eau de Perfume by Versace, a favorite one of mine as well. If you want to own this beautiful scent, all you have to pay is $29. As you can see, it has 4.5 stars out of 413 people. But you can save an additional 10% off by using the code and the link that I'm going to leave in the description box. Thank you to Dossier for sending me this gorgeous scent. From there, my camera went dead. I continued to decorate without filming. Let me show you what I added. I added a champagne glass for a mimosa or something. I went back and added a small plate to the setup to give a little bit of more sophistication to it. For my centerpiece, I'm using this gorgeous orb candle holder. I have my beautiful tray in the middle. This is the vase that I'm using. It's big, it's tall, beautiful, and juicy. This is the bouquet that I made. Let me know if you want to know how to make it. I will upload a video for that. In addition, I added a second flower. That's it. However, I felt like the table was missing something, so I went back and added my mirrors for my table warmer. I added sheer curtains to let the beautiful sun in. As you can see, I am using two different types of curtains, but they are gorgeous, you guys. On my console table, yeah, I know I love to use sets of 3, so I have a bowl. In the middle, I have a tray set up with some beautiful items. A blue apple to bring some blue on the table, a beautiful decorative piece in gold. Then I have some books, and on top of the book I have a Glam vase. You know we cannot finish the decoration without adding something super glam. And my beautiful tulips. And at the far end I added my tiger. Last but not least, I added this basket slash pad slash table with these beautiful plants. This is the first time I'm using it like that. I truly love it. I think it is gorgeous. I should check to see if I can find another one so I can have 2 of them. If you would like to know where I purchased it, please stay tuned. We are done. Let's look at the finished product. Okay, you guys, let's do this. The mirrors in the middle of the table are from Home Depot. The champagne glasses, you can find them on Amazon, sometimes Home Goods, and TJ Maxx have them as well. The acrylic napkin rings are from Amazon. The rest of the place settings are from Home Goods. These napkin rings were a DIY by me. And the flowers on the napkins are from Hobby Lobby. The candle orbs are from Home Goods and the floating candles from Amazon. I think these are all the new things. Now let's talk about the not so new things. This tray is from Amazon. The flowers at the bottom from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. The beautiful vase is from Burlington. I love this vase. I think it is just so gorgeous. My bouquet have flowers from Amazon, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Joann. My chandelier is from Lowe's. I am looking to sell it. If you live on the Long Island area, Queens, or Brooklyn, you are interested, let me know. I purchased my tiger from Home Goods. The tray is from Z Gallery. The mirror is also from Z Gallery. My tulips are from Amazon and the vase is from Home Goods. I got the blue apple from Burlington. The mirror inside the tray, I purchased it from Joann. You can find something similar on Amazon. I will leave a link. These books are from Amazon. And the gold decorative piece from Home Goods many years ago. This bowl is so gorgeous. What a beautiful piece from Tuesday morning. I got the console table from a local store. I have a link where you can find it online. However, I am not sure if it is still available. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Please check it out to see if it's still available. This baby of mine is from Target. I wasn't sure where I wanted to place it. As you can see, I kept moving it around. And the plant inside of it is from Burlington. Wall art in each side of the wall by the window are from Macy's Backstage. I got these curtain hooks from Amazon. These curtains are from Amazon as well. And the one in the middle are from Home Goods. I got these two wall arts from Home Sense. And the mirror was a DIY by yours truly. The rug is no longer available, but I got it from Almader. My beautiful dining set is from my local Savavi by Bernhardt, their Jet Set collection. I am tired of telling you guys the set is not available all the time. However, you guys, I have some great news finally they are selling this set on Wayfair. Yeah! They also have it on High Fashion Home, Perigold, Neiman Marcus, and some other websites. I'm gonna leave the Wayfair link in the description box. Also, I'm gonna leave the designer and the name of the set. You can Google it if you are interested, so you can see where you can buy it. I think I cover everything in the dining room. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my dining room refresh. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Before you leave, be sure to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And remember to check Dossier out. The link is in the description box. Thanks for stopping by. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Happy spring, y'all. Bye.